How to create NGL link and put it in your Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create an NGL link and put it in your Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, you will need your app. To download the app, simply open up your App Store or Google Play Store and search for NGL. After you search for NGL, you will find the NGL app. You can open this up after you download it. And right here, what you'll need to do is copy the link. Make sure that you create an account first and then copy the link. Now, after you've copied the link, all you need to do is simply open up your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, go to your profile. After you're on your profile, simply tap on edit. To tap on edit, you can either tap on the top right corner. There is a pen icon. And after you're there, scroll down a bit and you should find the links section. Now under the links section, simply tap on edit. Now here you can add a link. Now right there you will see add a website and add a social link. You can simply tap on either one. If you find NGL on your social medias section, just add that there. If not, go to websites and simply paste it here. So tap on save after you paste it and it has been added to your profile. Now go back to your profile and check if the link has been added. So let us go back to our profile and check if the link has been added. Let's see more about our information. And there you will see the NGL link under your contact information. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. That is how you add NGL link and put it in your Facebook. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.